A rare opportunity to own a newer home in the historic Willamette neighborhood of West Linn. It's privately located, close to the vibrant downtown shops, restaurants, the Oregon Golf Club, parks, and other amenities. Tucked away in a peaceful setting, this fabulous home of more than 3,400 square feet is masterfully crafted throughout. The open floor plan with high coffered ceilings and extensive windows allows for an abundance of natural light. The kitchen features a large island, Carrera marble countertops, stainless steel Bosch appliances, a 5-burner gas range, and a walk-in pantry. From here, head to the park-like backyard with 2 custom-covered patios, beautifully crafted, ideal for entertaining all year long. The office, mudroom, and powder room are conveniently located. The primary suite, with a 2-sided gas fireplace, is your own tranquil retreat. Enjoy heated Carrera marble floors, a soaking tub, Carrera marble shower, and a large walk-in closet. The spacious bonus room is perfect as a family room for game or movie night. You'll find 3 more large bedrooms and a full bath. This home is very efficient with dual-zone climate control, including 2 furnaces and 2 air conditioners. Host memorable gatherings in your backyard oasis with paver patios and walkways, mature landscaping, outdoor lighting, a drip sprinkler system, and a dog run. You'll also enjoy covered RV or boat parking with a power hookup. A fantastic home in the historic Willamette neighborhood. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.